Hi, Scott Dolan here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a 2022 Harris Solstice 230 with power tower. All right, so 230 Solstice, only 38 hours on this boat at the time of filming. It basically shows like a new boat. So double bimini top, bimini opens from the front and will shade all the way back really to about here. Like I said, 38 hours, full lighting package, so LED lighting under the rub rails, underwater, cup holders, speakers, and under the seat bases. Flip up table, raised helm, power folding tower, so this tower you just press a button to lower it. 9-inch Simrad screen, 2 subs, 2 amps. I mean, the boat is absolutely loaded and in fantastic condition. And also in the front has the additional for the bow filler seat. Really, really nice boat. And again, like I said, it shows basically like it's new. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. You can reach me directly on my cell at 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you.